MASTER CHAMFER Edge Chamfering 2.0. Compact, precise and patented. Fully CNC-controlled. Engineered for efficiency at the edge. Engineered to produce a perfect, clean 45-degree chamfer. It reduces contamination in the line, makes manual handling safer and stabilizes further board processing. MASTER CHAMFER. Compact and flexible. With an installation length of just 1.75 meters and its own control system, the MASTER CHAMFER can be integrated into almost any line, new or existing, Wemhöner or third party. The machine features 2 fully CNC-controlled milling heads. Thanks to the patented dual head system, all 4 board edges can be processed, achieving throughputs of up to 260 full format and 450 half format boards per hour. The innovative tool geometry reliably removes even large and stubborn film overhangs. The patented thickness adjustment enables processing of boards from 3 to 60 mm while maintaining consistent cutting performance. What becomes visible is a clean, precisely defined 45-degree chamfer. The fully enclosed design and efficient chip extraction ensure clean processes. Maintenance is also focused on efficiency. All key components are ergonomically positioned and service points are easy to reach. Thanks to the plug-and-play milling head system, tool changes area fast with minimal downtime. MASTER CHAMFER. Engineered for maximum performance. Wemhöner. Inspire, invent, connect.